How to remove a card on Lyft. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to remove a card on Lyft. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Lyft won't let you delete a credit card that you have selected as a default payment method. In that case, you will first have to add a new credit card or select another payment method and make it the default payment method and then delete the old one. So, to remove the card, go ahead and open the Lyft application on your device firstly. Tap on the three lines at the top of your screen to open the menu. You will see the option for payment, so go ahead and tap on the payment option. Further, select the credit card you want to delete and tap on the delete card option, and with this, your card will be removed. So, this is how you can remove a card on Lyft. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, please subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.